Today is April 4th, 2026. This spring, I have been waking up while the stars are still out. I'll grab my lantern and walk through these hills. And there's this warm breeze in the air that brings the smell of wildflowers as the mountains start to come back to life. And honestly, these are the mornings I wait for all year. Quiet with only the birds awake. Usually, I'll bring a thermos of coffee and wander until the sun rises. I spent so much time indoors this winter, and now that the weather is getting warm again, all I want to do is be outside. And the early morning, it's just my favorite time of day. It's when my mind feels the clearest, when everything is quiet enough for me to think. Every year, spring always seems to bring me back to what matters. As the world wakes up again, I feel something in myself wake up too. It almost feels like a remembering of what's really important. And then this urge to let go of all the unnecessary things in my life. We forget sometimes what really matters. We think fulfillment exists somewhere outside of us, in things we can buy or chase or collect. And we can get caught up in consumption and mistake it for meaning. But then the spring comes, and one day you wake up and it's warm out, and the sunlight is flickering through the trees. And I'll walk to the top of the mountain to watch the sunrise, and that's when I remember. I remember what's really important. I remember what it feels like to live close to the earth, close to myself, and close to that quiet thing underneath everything that gives life meaning. So I have been really trying to force myself this spring to get in the river every morning. And today before I leave, I'm going to make a tea for my hair using herbs that I grew in the garden last year. I'm adding chamomile, which adds softness to your hair, and rosemary, which encourages stronger, healthier hair growth, and fenugreek, which can moisturize the hair. And also I'll put in some wild rose, which softens the hair, but mainly I just love the smell of rose. And although the air has been getting warmer, the river is still absolutely freezing. This river is fed by melting glaciers in the mountains, so the water is, oh my gosh, it is very cold. I love it though. Getting in cold water, especially in the morning, it is so good for us. It makes me feel like I am alive in a way that nothing else does. So for the past 3 years, I have been saving the money I've made here on YouTube so that I can build my house. And when you're working towards something that big, you realize how much it matters where your money is sitting, how you're saving it, and whether it's actually growing while it sits there. And I'm really excited to tell you guys about Chime, the sponsor of today's video, who has helped me stay more intentional with my savings. One thing I love is Chime's high yield savings account, which earns 3.75% APY with qualifying direct deposits. So instead of your savings just sitting there, it can actually grow in the background. I also love that you can set savings goals in the app and use automatic features like roundups. So savings happens little by little without you having to think about it constantly. And with the Chime card, you get 5% cash back in the category of your choice. I chose groceries because that is what I buy most weeks and most often. If you want to check them out, go to chime.com/IsabelPage to sign up for a checking account and get a $200 bonus with qualifying direct deposits. So that link will be at the top of the description box, or you can scan the QR code on the screen. Thank you so much again to Chime for sponsoring this video. So I had this dough fermenting overnight, and this morning I'm just shaping it into buns for breakfast. Overnight ferments are honestly one of my favorite ways to make sourdough. A lot of sourdough recipes online want you home all day fermenting the dough and stretching and folding it every couple hours. But with an overnight fermentation, you can start the dough in the evening instead. Now that it's spring, most days I am outside doing things all day in the garden, running around, so I don't really have time to be home all day tending to dough. But I'm usually home at night, so it works really well for me to mix and knead it in the evening. Then I'll just let it ferment while I sleep, and oh my gosh, it is so nice waking up to dough that's ready to shape and be baked in the oven. It's just such a fun feeling in the morning to wake up and have something like that to look forward to. This morning I'm making brioche danishes, which is something I want to sell at the bakery. So I've been trying to work on perfecting the recipe, and these are so good, you guys. I'm going to leave the recipe for these in the description of this video. They are my favorite thing in the entire world. So most mornings, now that it's warm, I like to sit outside on my deck with a cup of tea, usually a slice of toast with jam, but this morning I had these buns. And sometimes I'll read. Lately, I've been working on writing my third book. And honestly, there is nothing better, you guys, than sitting outside on a spring morning, drinking a warm cup of tea or coffee. I really think we are meant to live alongside nature, connected to nature and its seasons and cycles of change. And wow, I'm really excited for this next season of my life. Anyways, you guys, thank you all so much for watching this video, and yeah, I'll see you all next week. Okay, bye-bye.